The, di- the assignment title: The digital presentation of your research finding, analysis, and conclusion of can social media posts today impact your future opportunity, and what is the evidence? Hello everyone. In this slide, I will introduce to the purpose of PowerPoint presentation that have focused on the digital presentation on the research finding, analysis, and conclusion of the chosen topic. Can social media post today impact the future opportunity, and present the finding using the credible evidence that they either support, claim, or refuse the statement with the proper justification. Moreover, finding this topic has been analyzed in the respect to the example obtained from the various organization industries, which are further elaborated in the following slides. This slide is discuss the brief background of the impact of the social media on further opportunities. Aim and objectives. In this slide, it can discuss the main aim and the objectives of particular research topic. It can help the researcher to effectively find the accurate solution according to these objectives. With the help of these objectives, researchers are able to identify the main reason on the social media post impact on the future opportunities. In this slide, it has been discussed that conclusion and recommendation is very beneficial for the research to identify the accurate results. And the identification of key source, the article. In this slide, it has discussed the chosen by the researcher, which is directly linked with the research topic. The first article was published in the year of 2019, and this article also provide that social media will provide the future opportunity of any kind of organization in order to promote their brand equity and brand equality. The social media plans, listen plan strategy and tools. These are the in this slide, it has been discussed article which is collected by the researcher in order to get the accurate result depending on the research topic. In this article, it has been seen that the social media will provide future opportunity for the brand so they can easily communicate with their consumer and get the feedback and improve their products. In this slide, it has been discussed about the Article 3 that can be selected by the researcher in order to effectively understand the main advantage of using the social media and share the post on the social media. The social media will help the organization to provide compensative advantage and help them to identify their potential customer. In this slide, it has been discussed the fourth article that can be selected by the researcher for the research purpose. The article also shows that the social media provides a negative impact on the organization. If anyone shares the fake news about the organization, it can provide the negative impact on their brand reputation. In this slide, it has been discussed the researcher has used the effective data analysis approach which can help them to effectively find the accurate result. In this research study, the researcher have used the qualitative data analysis approach. Utilizing this approach, it can help the researcher to create them based on the research objectives, so that the researcher is able to identify the main impact of the social media on future opportunity within the organization. In this slide, it has been discussed the thematic analysis which can be developed by the researcher, and this theme is directly linked with the researcher objectives. The social media posts today have the significant impact on the business organization because it can help them to enhance their brand loyalty, and also helps the job seeker to find their desired job within the various companies. In this slide, it has been discussed that theme to which the advantage of social media and future opportunity. The social media is mainly used as a marketing tool for the organization. With help of the social media marketing tool, they are easily able to identify their target audience, which can help them to provide compensative advantages by using the social media marketing tool. Organization can increase their sale, which can improve their business progress or business process. In this slide, it has been discussed them three which can created the researcher can help them to effectively identify the main challenges faced by the organization in order to use the social media marketing tool. The main challenge is that organization there are insufficient employees who have a knowledge of advanced technology or social media marketing. It is very difficult to understand the main trend present among the customer. So for their purpose, it is very difficult for them to create among engaging content. In this slide, it has discussed the valid as well as appropriateness of finding. All the article has been selected by the researcher are valid because the article are collected from the Google Scholar and provide accurate information that can help the researchers to identify the accurate result. The conclusion from your finding. In this slide, the researcher have discussed the conclusion from their finding. Social media has provided many advantages as well as disadvantages. The advantage include that it can help the organization to enhance its operation by effectively identifying the target audience. Then is the disadvantage is that it can provide very limited time to create engaging content. Increasing the use of social media with the potential risk and anxiety, depression, self-harm, suicidal thoughts, and even loneliness. Alternatively, the finding of the research have unleashed the use of social media could be beneficial for some users in several aspects, such as staying updated about the world news, stay connected with friends and communities, raising awareness important issues, and receiving emotional support during the critical times. Moreover, social media is not a short-lived trend, hence active strategic participation of the social media provides wide range of opportunities of the business and the large, authentic and transparent. In these slides, it has been discussed the researcher have found very limited resource about the social media disadvantage, as well as the researcher use the thematical analysis so they can know about the impact of the social media on the future opportunities. Recommendation. In the slide, it has discussed the recommendation to take by the organization to improve their business progress in order to implement the social media marketing tool. For the purpose, they are recruit marketing experts who have huge knowledge of handling social media, so they can help them organization to effectively identify the target audience and improve their business process. What would you have done differently if you were undertake the exercise again? In this slide, it has been discussed I need to develop an accurate time to schedule so that I can complete my report, improve my analytical skill so that I can effectively determine the main result of from the finding. Discuss how accurate your initial not Gantt chart was and your diary. In this slide, it has been discussed that I prepared Gantt chart which can help me to complete the project on time, and it can also increase my time management skill so that I can able to complete the project within required time frame. It also helps me to overcome my time management as well as overconfident issues. The references